Hey everybody! Well, for the last month or so, all I've been doing is moving out, moving in, and working for 14-15 hours a day. And I finally got to the point where I just needed to take one day to recharge. So I've been out here taking a coast day. And I spent most of the day out on the bay fishing for salmon. I got my salmon, so that was a heck of a lot of fun. And now, even though I am pretty worn out, I'm never one to miss the opportunity for a little night crab. And so I'm back here on my favorite crabbing pier. I figure I've got a few hours left before I don't have enough energy to make the drive home, and that'll give me time for a couple of pulls, and hopefully I can get some nice keeper crab, because there's a recipe I've been working on that I really want to share with you guys. So I'm gonna get these pots set, settle in, and hopefully have the time of my life. Yep, I can just sling them in.
No, don't.
Alright.
Some of them are pretty good size.
Woo! It's alright. It's alright. You got them. Sweet. Oh yeah, it's right here. It's coming quick. Oh, nice chunk. It is all the way down its throat too.
Get away from him. Go that way. Come on back in the corner here, Andy.
All right.
Thank you.
Ready?
No, I'm not ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Nice and slow. Big coat.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Don't drop your weight in my basket.
Let me get a little more on them. Here we come.
Drop your weight in my basket.
Ooh. No, it does not.
Reel down, lift up. One good turnaround.
Here she comes. Oh, that's a good coho. Yeah.
Oh, that's a big coho.
Little line out there.
All right, Andy. Look at the size of this coho. Wow.
Chunk. Alright. Oh, that is a monster.
Hey, fish line right here. Come here, Johnny.
Oh, gotcha. That's a monster.
Okay.
That's an awesome one. Oh, it's a huge silver. Yep, got a crank on him.
That way, reel. Reel down.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
Come on, Mike.
That's a huge silver.
Johnny, I can't reach it.
Two monster silvers. Those are both.
Lift up, lift up.
That is a huge one too.
Yeah, we got all our coho.
Look at him. That is a lot of coho right there.
Hot dog. Like how much
Those are
salad
huge,
did I
man.
have?
They're huge.
And then it went.
Those are 13 pounders, both of them.
Oh, yeah.
Got about enough time for one pull before it's too dark. Not bad. No keepers though. That's one. Nice. All right, number 2. Lots of crab. Oh yeah, I got some keepers in there for sure. Oh yeah. That thing's huge. Two. Getting that? 3. That one is legit. It's right on the cusp. Nice. Six. Cool. One more pot. Come on now. Oh, it's heavy too. It's heavy too. Not nearly as many. No keepers here. Well, maybe. That one looks pretty good. Right there. Light though. What I'm going to do with this guy is put him back in the cage and see if I can exchange him for a bigger one. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get him tonight. Things are winding down. Everybody's leaving as usual, except for me, your friendly local night crabber. I'm just settling in and hopefully gonna pull me a limit here in a little bit. Time for the second and last pull. What I get's what I get. Hope for the best. A lot of little guys shedding off of there. There must be tons of tiny ones in here because they are shredding that bait and leaving one nice one. Lots of little guys. It's a male. Let's check it out. Come on, get in there. There we go. Oh yeah, look at there. Classic. One. All right. Pot number 2 coming up. Oh yeah, those are better crab right there. Oh yeah. Come on now. Still a lot of little ones. Ooh. Oh yeah, we're gonna live it out. We're gonna live it out for sure. Sure. 9. Come on. Oh, you got me good. Wow, that one's lively. Okay, let's get that in there. Oh yeah, that's a keeper. Little, but that's the proof right there. All right. Oh, he got me again. This one is. Oh, he got me real good. Oh boy. I think I only need about one more. Oh, that one's gonna be full. Oh yeah. We got him. Oh, for sure. Woo. There's a giant. Absolute beast. Perfect. Get them sorted, cleaned up, and get out of here. Well, that was another incredible coast day, and now I'm going to throw together a super fast and easy salmon preparation that everyone's going to love. So let's get started by cranking my grill all the way to high. All the burners on, all to high. I'm gonna get this thing as hot as I can, and I'm gonna throw a cast iron skillet right on there and let that heat up along with everything. Now I'm gonna close the lid down and give that probably about 15 minutes so everything gets super hot. Oh yeah. Now we got some smoking hot heat there. I'm gonna put in a couple of tablespoons of oil. Got my salmon, just got some pepper on there, and I'll go a nice pinch of salt. Throw in a couple of pats of butter. Now I don't want that butter to burn, so I'll get my salmon right in there. And now I'm gonna close down the lid. And what that's gonna do is that's gonna sear that and roast that at the same time. It's gonna cook really fast. That it's about 1 inch thick, and that's gonna be 3 minutes on a side. Let's take a look. Up to 3 minutes. Ooh-wee, looking good. Now, right on the skin side, same thing. I want to get that skin nice and crispy. So, shut her down. 3 more minutes. Okay, now we should have good. Yeah, looks like a nice crisp skin. What I'm going to do now, just to finish this off, throw in another pat of butter and some kind of herb. That's just a little bit of thyme, but you could use any number of different herbs. And then I'm just going to baste that herb butter over there a little bit. And just like that, that is ready to go. Pop a little pat of butter on top, and let's let this rest for about 10 minutes. Now that is a beautiful sear. This thing looks delicious, smells great, and the last thing to do is to just hit that hard with some nice lemon. Oh yeah. Get that seed out of there, and let's give it a shot. First, of course, I love this fatty belly piece. Check out that bite. Oh my. Oh, that is some good salmon. It is so fresh. And a really good sear on there. But that crispy skin, also really absolutely delicious. Now let's go into the shoulder meat here. I'd like this to be about medium. And that looks like it's about medium. I think I got most of the bones out of there. Oh, it's perfect. And so fast. Just that quick. 3 minutes aside. Nice medium. Crispy skin. I love it. That was another super fun coast day, and this right here is why we do it. This is absolutely fantastic. So, hopefully you can get out and have an incredible coast day, stack up a bunch of seafood, then make yourself a meal to remember. Thanks for watching.